What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix 100% CPU utilization on your Windows 11 PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First of all, make sure that your Windows 11 version is up to date. Search for Update in your Start menu search to open up your Check for Updates System Settings window. Here, click on Check for Updates, Download or Install Now in order to install the latest update. When the download is complete, you should restart your PC to properly install the update and restart some processes which could otherwise increase your processor utilization. Next, navigate back to your system settings and select Power and Battery. Here, under Power, make sure to set the power mode to best performance. This will optimize your device to the best performance. When using a laptop, then the power mode should change to best power efficiency when not plugged in. When you experience a very high CPU usage while playing video games on your PC, then make sure to enable the game mode using your gaming settings. This will turn off some background processes when a game is running on your PC. After optimizing your settings, make sure to open up your task manager by searching for it in your Start menu search. Here, in the Processes tab, make sure to end some processes from running in the background, which are using up your CPU's resources. This could be Adobe applications, Office 365 apps, or other processes running in the background. Make sure not to end processes which you don't know. In the Startup tab, you should additionally prevent applications from starting up on system boot. Especially applications which you don't always use on your PC should be disabled from starting up automatically. When this is done, you should make sure that your drivers are up to date. To do so, search for Device Manager in your Start menu search to open it up. Here, expand your audio inputs and outputs, your disk drives, display adapters, processors, and universal serial bus controllers, which are your external USB connections. For each device, right-click it and select Update Driver. On the next window, click on Search automatically for drivers. This will take a few seconds to make sure that your device's driver is up to date. Lastly, third-party software and malware can use up your CPU's utilization. You should scan your PC for malware using your antivirus application or use your firewall and network protection to scan your PC. As a last resort, you will have to reinstall Windows without the pre-installed bloatware, which could increase your CPU utilization by a lot. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.